Hi, Sherry and Tara and everyone with Sharp Associates and Law Firm. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. 3 things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. But before we get to that, I'd like to point out that contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead generation services. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So 3 things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. But content is not just the words on your website. It's also the photos on your website and how the photos are saved. What's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to remember as far as actual words go is any page you're trying to rank, you want to have 1,500 words minimum. So any page you're trying to rank, 1,500 words minimum. Also, how you save your photos. You want to make sure that all of your photos are saved with the proper content. If they're just saved as what the computer automatically generates the image file to be saved as, it's not going to bring you any value. So you want every photo on your website to be saved as a buyer intent keyword. These would all be considered photos as well. And then you want to have 1,500 words minimum. So any of these are important. So let's go to divorce law. I'm sure that's an important one. It seems to be the new thing nowadays. And so you guys have a divorce law page. Looks like you have some content here. Not quite 1,500. I didn't put this through word counter. I would highly recommend getting at least 1,500 words on this page and any of the important pages. And then again, just make sure that all your photos are saved properly. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All of these give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank in the map pack. I typed in attorneys in Kalamazoo, Michigan. We got Willis Law, Hills at Law, and Austin and Coffrin. Okay, you guys aren't here. This is where you want to be. Very important. Also, if you're not here, you want to at least rank organically down here. And this is going to bring you the most amount of leads and the most revenue is being here. And so down here, organic search has to do with your backlinks and your content. And up here in the map pack has to do with citations. I also typed in lawyers in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And we come up with a different one. We have Willis, Austin, and Coffrin and Hills, actually in a different order. And then as you can see here, Minka is actually paying for an ad right there. But like I said, you want to be on the first page and right here, and that's where you're going to get the majority of the lead volume. So last thing, I have your Google My Business page pulled up here, Sharp & Associates Law Firm. A couple things. Congratulations on the reviews. So 4.3 star with 81 reviews is definitely something to be proud of. You have your address, your hours, your phone, your COVID safety thing. The only thing I don't see is your website. So I would recommend logging into your Google My Business profile, adding your website here, and that'll help drive traffic. And the other thing I noticed was that I didn't see very many photos. So it looks like you guys have 5 photos. 1, 2. You guys have 5 photos, and then not counting these drive-by photos, these Google drive-by photos. You're going to want to have 10. So you're going to want to go ahead and add 5 more photos at least, and then you're going to want to make sure to save all those photos properly as well. Very important to do so. So 10 photos, and make sure they're saved properly, and then your website down here. And that'll complete your Google My Business profile, as well as getting yourself some more citations, and that'll help you rank up here in these map packs and bring you some revenue. Okay, the last thing, very last thing we're going to talk about today is backlinks. What a backlink is anywhere that sharplawgroup.com is at on the internet is going to give you a backlink, your domain. And so you guys actually have 69 backlinks from 26 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is a 0.1. That's very low considering we're talking about a 0 to 100 scale. And so the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal, and they all don't bring the same amount of value to you. So you want to make sure that none of your backlinks are coming from spammy sites, and you want to make sure that all of your backlinks are coming from sites that are relevant to the trade. So with 69 backlinks, with only a 0.1 domain rating, definitely there's a dilemma here. And so you're going to want to go in, do your homework, remove the backlinks that aren't bringing you any value, add some that are powerful, that are going to bring you value to raise your domain rating and also increase your visibility on the internet. I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to bring yourself some more leads this upcoming season. If you guys have any questions or comments or feedback, do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.